Hi guys, welcome back. So today's video is going to be super exciting because we are testing out the brand new e.l.f. Halow Glow Liquid filter. You guys, this is going viral everywhere. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, everybody's talking about this product. A lot of people are actually comparing it to the Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter. I believe that's what it's called. I don't own anything. I think I only own like one Charlotte Tilbury product, so I'm not very familiar with her brand, but I wanted to test this out on my oily skin and see if it works because according to their website, this is supposed to work with all skin types. So we're going to test it out. I am really excited. Hope you guys are excited as well. Of course, if you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and please do not forget to give this video a big thumbs up. It really helps me out. With that said, you already know, grab your cafecito. And with that said, let's go ahead and jump into the review because I am here for it. So like I mentioned, this is the Halow Glow Liquid Filter. It comes in 8 different shades. The packaging is just a standard glass packaging with a really cute pink top. So it's supposed to be a multi-purpose liquid glow booster, and it's also infused with skin-loving ingredients to give your complexion a soft, focused social filter effect in real life. I'm curious because products like these tend not to work for me because I am pretty oily. I have already applied a pore filling primer. I'm using my Tarte one for today. Now the shade that I picked up is medium tan. I wish I would have gone with medium because this is pretty dark. Even though I am super tan right now, I feel like this isn't going to be a product that I can use for a long time. So definitely I am planning on picking up a medium shade once they are in stock. A lot of their shades are sold out, so just as an FYI. I'm going to use a brush like this to kind of like push it into the skin and see how it looks. I can immediately see the glow. Now, I personally love having glowing skin, but being oily, it's just like a battle because I don't want to look greasy. I want to look glowy. You can also mix this with your foundation, with a CC cream. You can wear it alone or you can wear it under makeup like I am going to do right now. Alright, so there it is, fully blended. I feel like I look super glowy. I love that it doesn't feel heavy. That is one thing that I wanted to mention out, just a first impression. It doesn't feel heavy on the skin. It's pretty light, and that is a big plus for me that I have oily skin. Also notice that it does have a slight tint to it, not like a BB cream or a CC cream or anything like that. I mean, unless you have like perfect model skin, and then you can probably get away with just using this. But for me, that I have a little bit of problem areas right here, like the redness, like you can't really see it as much as in the beginning. So I really do like that, and I love how glowy this skin looks. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with foundation, and of course I think it's only proper to use an e.l.f. foundation, the Camo CC Cream Best Foundation at the drugstore. So we're going to tap this in. I am in the shade medium 330W. Hopefully it's not too light for my tan right now. Blend this in. Alright, so that is the foundation on. What do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts right now. How does it look from afar? And even from up close, it's still looking really good. I definitely see my pores being a little bit emphasized. I don't know if you guys can see it, but they do look a little emphasized. So I'm already worried about that. But the foundation looks really good. It looks very, very dewy. Maybe I overdid it. So next time I will use less, but I'm going to go ahead and just finish off the rest of my face. I am going to apply the concealer with you guys just so you can see how it looks. But I will go ahead and finish the rest of my face off camera and then show you guys the results at the end, and then I will do a full day wear test so we can see what this is all about. There's a concealer again. It is just like beaming through. Really like it. All right, let's go ahead and set to see how it looks after powder, because that is a question. Usually these products, after you like set them down with powder, like the glow is gone. So that is going to be the test for me, because that's where I kind of tend to fall off and I'm like, not interested in using it. You can't even see the glow after. So let me powder. So this is what the skin looks like after I've applied my setting spray. It definitely doesn't look super glowy. So again, to me, this is just like my personal opinion. Like, to me, this glow product is just like an extra step that is unnecessary. The only way I would really see myself using this more often is for the days that I absolutely wear little to no makeup, and that means applying some of this, some concealer, maybe spot concealing, a little bit of blush, and then that's it. But I need powder because I am oily. So that would be an issue. I don't know. I'm going to wear this for a few hours. It is pretty late in the day. It is currently 3:09 and Amazon just delivered a package for me. So I'm going to go ahead and grab that. And I will be back in a few hours. Check in to see how it looks. Hopefully we're not too oily. Fingers crossed. But so far, what do you guys think? Let me know. Hey guys, I'm back. So it is currently 9:37 p.m. I just got back from Walmart and eating some tacos. I know it's super late, but shh, don't tell anybody. So we're going to do an update on the skin and how it's looking. As you can see, she is oily. I got not super oily, but my typical oily selfness. That's not a word. But I got oily. As you can see right here. I zoomed you guys in. Aquí, this is where I typically get oily anyways. And my pores are definitely like large and emphasized. And that tends to happen when I wear products like this, because they're just too heavy on my skin. Like, my skin is already greasy as it is, and I don't like to add extra products. But other than that, the forehead looks pretty good. What are my thoughts and opinions? Like, what do you guys think? How do you think this looks? To be completely honest, like, I can't tell a difference between not wearing it and then wearing it. The only thing that I can say is that because of the product, it definitely did emphasize the texture on my skin right here, the large pores. They typically don't look like this at all. I don't know, I'm kind of torn in between liking it and not really caring for it. I feel like a lot of people that are really hyped about this product is because they already love the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood filter. So if you already love that product and you're looking for a dupe for something affordable, then I think you're going to enjoy this. Everyone that I've seen says that it's 100% a dupe. So definitely look into this and save some coins instead of buying the Charlotte Tilbury. For me, I don't know how often I'm going to use this. I think if anything, on the days that I wear very minimal makeup, where I just want my skin to look a little bit more luminous and I don't powder my entire face, I can see myself using this, because I do find myself looking for products that give me that luminosity with very minimal makeup. But for the days that I'm just going to wear like a full face beat, which is very often, because when I film, if you guys watch me, you know that I go full glam, like foundation, concealer, setting powder, bronzer, blush, everything. So for me, this is just an extra unnecessary step. I don't hate it, but I'm not like in love with it as other people are, but that's okay. So I hope this review helped some of you make up your mind on whether to buy it or not. It is about $14 or so, so it's still relatively affordable. And if you're wanting it, then definitely go ahead and check out e.l.f. I will have all the links in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for staying till the end. Stay safe out there, and until next time, I will see you in the next video. Bye!